Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Welcome to Sufa Intellectual School. How are you all? I hope you will be fine. As you know that we always start our lecture with the name of Almighty Allah, so kindly recite dua with me. Rabbi zidni ilma, Rabbi zidni ilma, Rabbi zidni ilma. It means, Oh Allah, increase my knowledge. This is your science period and lecture number 5. Today we will going to continue our chapter number 2, Human Impact on Animals, of unit number 2, Living Things in the Environment. We will first going to do the reading of page number 28 and 29, and then at the end I will tell you about classwork and homework. Let's see what are the topics today. Today I will going to discuss these topics with you. First, I will give you the overview of previous chapter, that what we have learned in previous lecture. Then we will discuss about the negative impact on animals. Let's come to overview first. In previous lecture, I told you the positive impact of animals. Like we can help animals by keeping them as pets. We can also keep the stray animals as pets, but that is a very big responsibility. It's not easy to keep any animal as pet because then you have to take care of them a lot. Like you have to provide them a proper place, proper shelter, a proper house, so that where they can live and sleep. You also have to provide them fresh and hygienic food. So you really need to take care of them. You also have to take care of the cleanliness of their houses, like whatever place you are making it. So you really have to take care that the place where they are living or where they are sleeping, that place should be clean. Then I also told you that some animals feel happy to be in the zoo because they like humans' company. And then I also told you that some animals are to be kept in wildlife sanctuaries. Like if you do this, like you keep some wild animals in the zoo and some wild animals, you build the boundaries for their wildlife sanctuaries, then they will be happy to live over there. They will not easily, they will not die soon, they will not get sick easily, they will be happy and can live longer. So I told you about the wildlife sanctuaries, that they are actually the, you can say, the natural forests or jungles. You are just creating the boundary for that, and you are setting the rules that anyone can visit there, anyone can see them, but no one can hunt them, no one can capture them, no one can try to harm them. So for that, if you were going to set these rules, then the animals will be very happy to live over there. Before coming to today's topic, let's do the reading first. So I'm opening my book. Now all of you kindly open your books. Come to page number 28. So this is your page number 28, Negative Impacts. I'm starting the reading. You have to listen to me carefully, okay? Humans hunt many animals. They use animal skins for clothing, decoration, and other purposes. We have already discussed this thing in our previous chapter also. See, I told you which animals are used to make different types of products, like whose skin is used, like we use the skin of goat and sheep. So have you ever seen a dodo bird? people from the past killed dodos. They have now become extinct. That's why you are not seeing this bird, because it has been ended now. It's no more there in any part of the world. We should stop hunting animals. A lot of animals are in danger of becoming extinct. It means they are finishing slowly because we are hunting them a lot. Okay, now come to next page, that is 29. This is your page number 29. Have you ever visited a zoo? Did you ever try to give food to any caged animal? Definitely, every child loves to give food item to the animals. But many children didn't care that what should be given to the animals. So in zoos, children give food like sandwiches, potato chips, sweets, and bubble gums to animals. Such food can make them sick. It means this kind of food is harmful for animals. So we should ask for permission from the caretakers of the zoo before giving any food to them. Okay. So about this topic, animal habitat, we will discuss in our next lecture. Okay. Let's come to the details. Okay, so today's new topic is negative impact on animals. Like, what will be the impact of animals if we keep hunting them, or if we keep eating them? So many humans hunt animals, and they, as you can see in the image, some animals are being hunted so that we can use their skin to make the warmer clothes. We can use them as decoration piece in our homes. Some people hunt animals so that they can eat their meat. Some humans hunt animals so that they can eat their meat, and some animals are being hunted or so that we can use their skin to make leather products. This is the leather boot and leather bag. So although it looks it looks beautiful, but because of this, animals are getting endangered, right? Like they are getting extinct. They are finishing up from the world. We after some time or after some years, we will not able to, you can say, see any animal in the world. So dodo birds have been extinct now. As I told you, this is the image of a dodo bird. That why they have been extinct, because people have hunted them a lot. Plus, people clear their natural habitats, their natural homes. Like they cut a lot of trees, they cleared a lot of forest where they were living happily. So that's why they have been extinct now. You can't see them in anywhere. Like in any country, you cannot see them because there are no more dodos in the world. So if we are facing such kind of issues, we should try to avoid too much hunting. We should hunt animals, but then we should take care that hunting should be minimum. And we also try to, in the second image, if you see, a girl is giving a food item to the giraffe. So before giving the food item to any animal in the zoo, we always ask the zookeepers. We always have to take the proper permission from the zoo caretakers that what food item we can give them. Okay, because most animals like to eat fresh vegetables. So we try to not give them the fast food items. Rather, we should try to give them the fresh vegetables or fresh fruits. Okay, so this was our today's topic. I hope you have understood that if we keep hunting the animals, then what negative impact we can face. Like one day, all the animals will be extincted from the world. There will be no more animals in the world. So we should avoid too much hunting. So this is your today's classwork. That you have to write today's date, day, then classwork, unit name, chapter number, question number, and its answer. And you also have to draw the margin lines over here. Okay, you must have to draw the margin lines and the ending line at the end. Ending line is very important. Margin lines are very important. I hope you have understood today's lecture. You have to do this on your notebook and do it neatly, and your homework is to learn this question. Okay, just learn it, nothing else. If you still have any confusion or you want to ask me any question, you are most welcome to ask me in your WhatsApp group. I will be available there. Okay, till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.